Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. You need to begin by going into Devices settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Sounds and Vibration. Then you can tap on Vibrate right away, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also tap on Sound next to Vibrate, and thanks to this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing, enable or disable incoming calls haptic feedback. When you're ready, scroll down, click on Call Vibration, and decide if you wish to silence your incoming calls vibrations, synchronize them with ringtone, or use one of those vibration patterns, like fireworks. Wherever you decided, you can also adjust intensity of your haptic feedback thanks to this slider at the top. Then go back, click on Notification Vibration, and do exactly the same but for your incoming notifications. This time I will go with Heartbeat. Now you can tap on System Vibration, adjust intensity of all of them thanks to this slider, and tap on the switchers next to all of those features to manage haptic feedback for them. Finally, go back one last time, choose Vibration Intensity, and operate all of those sliders to adjust intensity of haptic feedback for calls, notifications, system, and media. You can also click on this switcher next to Vibration Sound for incoming calls to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!